Hey there. I wanted to do an unboxing and a quick review and first use of the legendary BUCKSTER. This is a wheel loader that I just purchased. We've actually had some time playing with it, and it is a lot of fun. So I thought first I'd start out before I show the unboxing where I got it and give you that information. So this is it. So I purchased this. You can get it on Amazon. So I show you that here. Here it is on Amazon for $2.99. So when I was looking at these, I noticed this one here. I noticed that there was a TongLi that looked like it was the same thing, but in yellow. The legendary seems newer. It looks like it just hit the market, and I think that they're exactly the same. Just one's red and one's yellow. And the legendary, which is for some reason they spell it with an A there, it comes with an extra battery and an extra charger and these tire chains. So like, oh, that's pretty cool. So before I purchased it from Amazon, which I was about to do, I thought I'd check out who actually makes this and if I could order it there. And so this is their website, and you can see that it's here at $2.69. So it's a $30 savings from what Amazon has. I mean, they're saying it's discounted from $3.50, but that's probably not such a real price. But here it is at Amazon for $300. Now it is $10 more than the TongLi, but it does come with the extra battery and extra charger and the tire chains. So I think that's worth at least $10. So that's why I decided to go with this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and we'll go into the unboxing, running it for the first time, and then some fun that we had in the sandbox and the dirt box out back. All right, very excited about this. This is, I just got this. Well, we've got it for a few days ago, but now the holidays, we just opened it up for the kids. Yesterday we got an excavator, and today we just opened up the legendary BUCKSTER. All right, so let's open it up. I think that this is fairly new on the market, and good for us because we're just kind of getting into these RC construction vehicles. Me and the kids, the 6 and 8 year old. Goes right. Okay. Here's the remote. This feels pretty good. It's kind of light. Kind of a rubbery texture. Okay. 2 batteries. Oh, these are the same batteries the excavator take. So that's great. And lift this guy up. Okay. And there it is. That still has some heft on it. Yeah, that's right. It comes with chains for the back tire. Okay. Oh, so this has a different connector than the Excavator. It's the same type of battery, a LiPo, but the other one has mini Deans on it. And this does not. Okay. So this looks pretty cool. So this is metal, but this is plastic. I think this is metal. This is plastic. That's metal. That's plastic. This looks pretty good though. Okay, we'll get this charged up and take it out for a spin. Alright, pretty excited about that. Okay, now that I got the battery charged up, we'll go ahead and install it. Screw right here. This is plastic. Plastic. Sounds great. This is really good. See the red lights in the back?